So in computers, you have something that is called firewalls. Firewalls is a layer 3 device that allows you to send or receive traffic based on the port numbers. All right, what is the meaning of this? Let's say you have a client computer that is running Google, and you have a server that is hosting a local WordPress website in another network. In order for you to access those resources through your browser, the port 80 needs to be open in the firewall, and the firewall needs to have an incoming rule to your WordPress website indicating that you are allowed and the server is allowed to receive traffic on the port 80. We're going to discuss more details of these sections when we reach to the HTTP sections in this course, but for now let's just focus on the ping, NSLOOKUP, and TRACERT command. So if I type ping udemy.com, this indicates that the site is alive. However, if you don't get any response from a host, like a website, like let's say we're gonna ping amazon.com or ping CNN.com. For now, I'm getting response for all the sites, but there are locations that when you ping a website or node like a file or router or switch, you don't receive any reply messages, it doesn't mean that the device is down. It means that by security, you can enable or disable if an interface can reply back the ICMP commands to the generator router. So let's say I want to see how many hops it takes me to access this site. So I'm gonna copy the host name. I'm gonna move back again to my command prompt. I'm gonna type the command TRACERT and paste the name. I'm going to remove this HTTPS from the front, it's not needed. Also the www, and hit enter. So as you can see, the IP address of this host is 208.76.175.29. This translation is made using one of the commands that we're going to be discussing on this course. Is NSLOOKUP. It allows you to translate the DNS name resolver for that host. So right now, as I was explaining you before, sometimes there are devices that never reply to the ICMP messages, and as a result, it can look like offline device in the network. However, the device is alive. So as you can see in the line number 3 for the TRACERT command, that host seems to be down. However, you just saw that we can access this host. Like, let me access this host from another tab. As you can see, we have communication to access that website, and also we can have access to other links in the same domain. This is an example that for some reason we're not getting replies. To view what is the next hop after this line, we're going to cancel these. Let's say you want to know what are the result DNS servers for this host. Let's type this same one. Okay, according to my router, it says that he's not unable to find what is the resolver for that host name. However, it gave me the options to see what was the public IP address pointing to the host name advanced-ip-scanner.com.